Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be creating this look that I have on my face using the new Lottie London Harley Quinn Collection. So if you would like to see what's inside this collection or see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Lottie London did send me this box to try. All right, so the Lottie London Harley Quinn Collection, you guys. Loving the box, loving the packaging, super cute. So on the back of this, it's super cool. It says, in today's busy world, self-expression is key. Join us in tearing down the walls of conformity and dare to be different. Many of us find ourselves constrained by societal norms and expectations, feeling forced to hide behind masks in fear of judgment. Enter the Lottie London x Harley Quinn collaboration, the epitome of unapologetic self-expression and rebellion against conformity. Celebrate creativity and embrace your unique identity through makeup. All right, so inside the box, we have all of our goodies. And the first product inside is the Lottie London Harley Quinn Crimson Crave Hydrating Primer. This is just going to drop her top there. And this is a hydrating primer that is going to really nourish and hydrate the skin and get it ready for your makeup application. Next in this collection, we've got the Daring Diamond Blending Sponge. And as you can see, I did use it today, so it is very, very dirty. But this is a light blue when it starts out. And when you wet it with warm water, it turns pink. Next in this collection, we've got the Jester's Jewel Illuminating Powder. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful highlight, you guys. Super stunning highlight, you guys. So pretty. And I do have this on my face today. Next in this collection, we've got the Jumbo Heart Stamp and Eyeliner. And this is a stamp and eyeliner duo. So one end is your liner. Sorry about all the swatches on my hand. So one end is your liner and the other end is a cute little heart stamp. So adorable. Next in this collection, we have not one, but two palettes. We've got the Toxic Love palette, as well as the Pouts and Pigtails palette. And these are magnetic towards each other, which is so cool. So opening up the Toxic Love palette, it looks a little something like this. So pretty. And these are just so pigmented. And then here we have the Pouts and Pigtails palette, which looks a little something like that right there. So beautiful. Moving right along, the next product that we have in this collection is the Jumbo Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. And I do have this in my waterline today. It is just a jumbo size eyeliner. Next, we have the Puddin' Rollerball pH Color Changing Lip Oil. I did not use this today, but it looks like it's like a black gray, and then it changes to like a pinky kind of shade on the skin or on the lips. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. And last but not least, in the Harley Quinn Lottie London collection, we've got the Transforming Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Wanted. And I do have this on my lips today. When you apply this, you just rub your lips together, and it creates kind of a glittery look. It is such a pretty color as well. Well, that is it for all the products inside the Harley Quinn Lottie London collection. If you would like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. All right, so first I'm using the Harley Quinn Crimson Crave Hydrating Primer. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my face. All right, so to apply my foundation and my concealer, I'm going to use the Harley Quinn Daring Diamond Blending Sponge. And this is going to change color when we, I guess, dampen it. So it's going to change from blue to pink. Here is what the blender looks like outside of the packaging. Super cute little diamond shape. It is so soft, you guys. And I'm going to go damp this and see that color change. All right, so I dampened the sponge and it didn't change color, so I'm wondering if it's maybe a pH changing color sponge. So maybe when we apply some product, it will change from blue to pink. We'll see. All right, so this changes color with warm water. I had just kind of dampened it with just some cool water, but as you can see, it's already starting to change back to blue. I'm just gonna finish blending out my foundation with this. Okay, so now we're using the Jester's Jewels Illuminating Powder. And you guys, this is so beautiful. Wow. So it looks a little something like this. I love the diamond. So cute. And you guys, this is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so what I'm taking first is the Jumbo Heart Stamp and Eyeliner Duo. I am just going to use the liner for right now, and we are just going to create some super cool graphic liner. Actually, I think I am just going to line the eye first, and then we'll go back in with it here in a second. Okay, so it doesn't matter if that's not perfect or whatever, because we are going to smoke it and smudge it out anyway, but I just really want to get it as dark as I can next to that lash line area. All right, so now I'm going to go in with the Toxic Love palette. And we are going to go in with the shade up here called Chaos. And I am just going to kind of smudge this liner out with that shade. Next, I'm taking Riot Rouge. And I'm just going to place this right into my crease and just kind of deepen that up and give it some definition. Now we're going to go in with the Pouts and Pigtails palette. And I'm going to take the Queen of Chaos shade, which is a beautiful little purple. And we are just going to place this all up above that brown. Now taking Mad Love, Harley Glow, as well as Glitter Squad. Those are all going to go on my lid area. Finishing off that inner corner with the Joker's Jewel. And we will revisit those palettes in just a moment. I'm going to jump back over to the liner and finish that off.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased.
If you guys are wondering how I did this liner, I literally started from the front of my eye, went back into a wing shape and connected it down, and then just did the same thing more up. So now that I've got that looking how I would like, I'm going to go back in with the Pouts and Pigtails palette, and we're going to take that blue, which is called Puddin' Pop, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that right here at the front. All right, so the adorable thing about this Jumbo Heart eyeliner is it has a little heart stamp on the other end, which we are going to use that right now. So I'm just going to place this right here. And there's our heart. Applying some of the Jumbo eyeliner to my waterline area, and then we're going to smoke that out as well. Okay, so now I'm going to make this liner look a little lived in and kind of Harley Quinn-ish. So I am just going to drag it down a little bit right here and a little bit right in here. And then we will smoke that out using some black from the palette. All right, so for lip products, I have a Harley Quinn Puddin' Rollerball pH color changing lip oil, but I think today I'm going to be using the Harley Quinn Glitter Switch Transformative Liquid Lipstick. So this, when it dries down, you're supposed to rub your lips together and it's supposed to give you a glittery kind of lip. So let's see what happens. Ooh, so it does have some slight glitter in there. It's not overbearing. It's just the right amount of glitter. It is so, so pretty. And here's the final look using the Lottie London Harley Quinn Collection. I just want to say a big thank you to Lottie London for sending me this collection to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.